All right, here we are in the kitchen with Miss Marie, cooking with angry Miss Marie. Are you angry? You're not angry,
I
are you?
am
You're
not.
not. Now, what are you making? It looks tasty. Don't push me out of the way. The
Just,
camera. What is that?
just a simple egg, fried egg,
Fried egg. That's more than egg in there. What is that? Egg and what?
tomatoes and onions, garlic.
Garlic, tomatoes, onion. Look how nice that looks. Nice and brown. Quick, easy, healthy meal.
I like it crunchy.
You like it crunchy, so she likes to leave it in there a little bit. And you just use regular eggs. Cut up some tomatoes, however you like them. You can dice them or slice them. You got red onion in there. It looked like red onion.
hmm
And what else did you put in?
Garlic and pepper.
Garlic and pepper. No meat or anything, right?
No.
No, but I guess you could add ham and stuff if you wanted, right? You can
Yeah,
put
if you
anything you
want.
want.
Yeah.
Right? It looks pretty good. Wait till it gets on the plate. We'll show you when it's on the plate. Now here is an excellent, super easy meal to make. It took maybe 10 minutes at all. Now Miss Marie made this. And it's egg with red onions, tomatoes, garlic, white jasmine rice with a topping of eggs. She loves eggs. And I don't eat that many eggs, but a lot of you do, I'm sure. But it's a hearty meal, healthy meal, quick and inexpensive. Very nice, very quick, and literally probably cost you only a couple of bucks because you're using 4 eggs, cup of rice, 1 tomato, and a piece of onion. Not even a half of an onion, a red onion, by the way, because you can see the red onions right in there. And the tomatoes, fresh clove garlic, or you could use garlic powder if you want to, salt and pepper, and olive oil. Always cook this stuff in olive oil. You shouldn't be using vegetable oil. It's not the best. It's not the healthiest for you. Virgin olive oil is the best for you. This is one of Marie's quick dishes. Didn't catch her in time to get the actual preparation, but it's pretty simple. You just you beat up your eggs. And then you and then you mix in your goodies and put it in a frying pan. And she likes it dark like that. You don't have to brown it, but it is tasty when it's brown. It has a whole different flavor to it. If you haven't tried that, try browning your eggs. And the rice, of course, is jasmine rice, the only best rice you could buy. Don't get the cheap rice. And for goodness sake, don't get Uncle Ben's rice. That is so nasty. That is just nasty. Jasmine rice is the best for you. Great flavor. Just all the right smells are coming out of this thing right now. I already had mine. It was delicious. So check it out. This is Miss Marie's quick lunch. This is just an afternoon. I don't know. What is today? Tuesday? Tuesday, quick lunch. And she just felt like cooking something because we were busy working in the house. And she just ran upstairs like a little mouse. And then everything started smelling really good. So check it. This is Cooking with Miss Marie. Simple, easy, and inexpensive. Right, Miss Marie?
hmm
That's it? Mm-hmm. That's all we're going to get out of you?
Thank you for the people that watch our videos.
And it wasn't hard to cook, was it? You whipped it up in one pan, didn't you?
Yes.
One frying pan and one mixing bowl. That's all it took. And 4 eggs. And then, of course, the ingredients you want. You can add any vegetable you want, but tomatoes and onions and garlic, they go really well with eggs. And you can put any meats you want in there. If you want to put in turkey or ham. If you people like ham or bacon, go right ahead. Put any of that stuff in there. It'll taste fantastic. Thanks for joining us on Cooking with Miss Marie on Vacation Station TV, your virtual getaway.